Good day, I am Mark Roland Sota. Today, I want to talk to you about the incredible world of fisheries, about and aquatic sciences. An often overlooked field that holds the key to our planet's health and our future. As stewards of our aquatic ecosystem, we have the power to influence the sustainability of these populations and the overall balance of our environment. With over 70% of the Earth's surface covered by water, our oceans, rivers, and lakes are teeming with life, providing billions of people with food, jobs, and recitation. But the challenge we face are significant overfishing, pollution, and climate change threaten our aquatic resources and if it asks scientists, advocates, and everyday citizens to take action. By advancing our understanding of aquatic ecosystem and implementing sustainable practices, we can ensure that future generations inherit a thriving, vibrant world beneath the waves. Let us embrace the beauty and importance of our fisheries and aquatic sciences. Together, we can fight for policies that protect our waters, promote responsible fishing practice, and inspire others to appreciate the safeguard these vital resources. The time is to act now. Let's commit to making a difference for our aquatic friends and the health of our planet. Thank you.